Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how to use FastSpring with Wemail for your WordPress email marketing. First, make sure you have an account registered with FastSpring. Then from your Wemail dashboard, go to Lists to select an existing list or click on Add New to create a list by setting a name and clicking on Save. Now click on the list. Click on Settings under the Options drop-down list. Enable the FastSpring Webhook option and copy the Webhook URL and click on Save. So on your FastSpring dashboard, click on Webhook under Integration. Then click on Add Webhook to set a title. Then select Live Orders from the drop-down list and click on Add to save the update. Click on the Add URL Endpoint button and paste the URL button from your Wemail dashboard. Next, enable the Order Completed option and hit the Add button to save. If any customer completes an order from FastSpring, then the customer name will appear on the list you created on your Wemail dashboard. And that is how you can integrate FastSpring with Wemail for your WordPress email marketing.